With the second half of 2018 well underway, I wanted to share the exciting progress we've made this year, as well as the bold plans we have for going forward. We started the year off by introducing our new brand strategy, Bringing It All to Light, and have been working hard to provide you with the products, tools, and services to deliver on this commitment. From the launch of our new website to our faster turnaround for submittal drawings, we found new ways to get you the information you need as soon as you need it. We've reduced customer issues with our laser focus on quality. Our new logistics provider, coupled with our expanded quick ship offerings, gives us even more options to get our products to your jobs on time. And we've answered your need for education around the growing presence of controls with our CEU presentation on connected solutions, Focal Point's easy to specify and brand agnostic approach to connected luminaires. We've also invested in new product development. This year, we introduced our ID Plus 3.5-inch and 4.5-inch aperture cylinders, SkyDome Edge, and our newest linear solution, Seam 1. Plus, we continue to partner with you on many custom designs, finding new ways to deliver on our mission of enhancing architecture and elevating the human spirit. But that's not all. At LightFair, we introduced our acoustic solutions, and the response has been tremendous. We didn't limit ourselves to just the luminaire. Instead, we challenged ourselves to understand the bigger acoustics picture, to meet the needs of any commercial interior, from basic installations to full ceiling integration. And we started small so we could learn fast and deliver big. As a result, our acoustic solutions solve real problems for your clients, and our AirCore technology delivers a superior acoustical performance you won't find anywhere else. We appreciate your excitement for this new venture and are working on several other cutting-edge solutions that will deliver new value to the market in 2019 and beyond. It's been a great year so far, and you can expect even more from the Focal Point team going forward. We're looking beyond lighting, working on solutions that contribute to people's health and well-being. And we're committed to providing you with a world-class customer experience for every order, every time.